The Blackshale Suspension Bridge hike in Kananaskis Country, Alberta, is a scenic and beginner-friendly trail leading to a long wooden bridge that sways high above a forested ravine. It is approximately 73 meters, 240 feet long. Hikers can choose from the official 6-kilometer round-trip route from the Black Prince Day Use area, which winds through a peaceful woodland with rolling terrain, which is the hike we're doing today. There is also a 1-kilometer unofficial shortcut from the roadside. The bridge itself offers sweeping views of the surrounding mountains and the lush Blackshale Creek valley below. Its slight sway adds a fun sense of adventure, making it a hit with families, photographers, and casual hikers alike. It is best visited in the summer and fall. The bridge is closed in the winter for safety. Our hike today is 6.9 kilometers, 4.3 miles out and back, with an elevation gain of 113 meters, 371 feet. Welcome to my channel Live on Alberta. My name is Carrie and I love hiking in the Canadian Rockies. If you enjoy stunning landscapes, towering peaks, pristine lakes, cascading waterfalls, and canyons, you have come to the right place. I hike 12 months of the year and my videos will show you all aspects of the trail. We're in the Black Prince CERT parking lot, and we're going to hike up to Blackshale Suspension Bridge. As I was cleaning up my video files, I found this hike from July of 2020 that I never produced. So we're at the highway now. And virtually straight across the road, we see a sign. High Rockies Trail, which will take us to the bridge. And here we go. (16 degrees Celsius). Well, it's nice to be back out in the mountains. My last hike was in February, 5 months ago. Well, it's a gradual incline. That was one good thing with all the rain we've had. Everything's so green and beautiful. And the smell is unbelievable. So I had the camera set on super view, wanted linear, so the rest of the recording will be in linear. So we're at 0.7K, trail over here to our left. And we're going to continue going right. Definitely a very easy trail. Well, I got a mix of sunshine and clouds. Just spit it on us for a little bit of rain. A little bit of up and down on the trail. We're 1K in. Looking up. And looking down. Nice little creek. So we're 1.4K in, and I think we're going to get a little bit of a view here. That's Black Prince Cirque. That's on my hikes to do this summer. I have made a video of my hike up to Black Prince Lake, and I will link it at the end of this video. Well, we're 2K in, and looks like it's going to open up here a little bit again. So this hike's not much for views so far. I think it's about the destination. But it's definitely nice just walking through the forest here. Now we're at 2.9K. And we made it to Blackshale Bridge. This bridge is approximately 73 meters, 240 feet long, and its height is estimated to be between 6 to 9 meters, 20 to 30 feet above Blackshale Creek. Well, I got here at a pretty good time before all these people. So we're on our way out now. I'm not going to be recording too much going down because we're really just in the trees. So once we get close to the bottom, I'll do a sort of recap. Well, that's a pretty good little hike. We finished probably around 6.5 to 7K. But I recommend this to anyone. The trail's very easy, it doesn't matter what your age is. Suspension bridge is pretty cool. Well, a lot less people here now. And we're back. Woohoo! Thank you very much for watching this video. If you would like to help support my channel, a thumbs up and a comment would be really appreciated. You won't want to miss my next video, where we're hiking up to the summit of Boundary Peak in Jasper National Park. Words cannot describe the views on this hike. Here is just a little taste. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, now is the time. You won't want to miss this video. Cheers!